Everybody, how you doing? I'm Mark from Get Knotted Paracord, and I learned another knot today. This is the Simple Simon over knot. So here we go. Now, somebody mentioned it to me in the comments a couple of months ago, and I can't remember who you are and I can't find your comment, so I'm really sorry about that. But thank you for suggesting this one. So here we go. You get one cord or rope or cord, whatever you've got, make a bite like that. You get your other cord, poke it through that bite, and then you wrap it over the top like that, and you flip it underneath, so you've got that going on. Bring it over the top like that, so you've got an X. And then your working end goes underneath and back through that hole there. That hole there is a technical term that I use. I don't think that hole there is actually a technical knot tying term, but there you go. And that is your Simple Simon over knot. Now the reason why it's called an over is because your working end goes over itself to form that X. Yeah, it's a stronger alternative to the sheet bend. It joins two pieces of rope together, and it was discovered fairly recently, well, recently as in the last 30 years, by Harry Asher. So I did a bit of looking on the internet. What happens if you think you've discovered yourself a brand new knot? Well, you take lots of photos, you have lots of detailed instructions, and then you submit it to forums and things like the IGKT, which is the International Guild of Knot Tiers. And then what they do is go through all their books and things and see if they can find it, ask lots of questions, and if no one's seen it before, then hey presto, you found yourself a brand new knot. Give yourself a pat on the back and a peanut, as long as you're not allergic. But there you go. There you go. That is your Simple Simon over knot. There are two other kinds of knots as well, which I shall do another time. But don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Okay, bye.